रुके गाड़ी क्या क्या था ना वन सेकंड पलक जी इधर आ जाओ गेट पे आ जाओ मैंने दिया बस 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 एक सेकंड पलक गया मैम यहाँ पे पलक जी इधर जानो जाओ इस साइड मैम यहाँ पे वेट 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 ना वेट थोड़ा डाउन हो जाओ ना इस साइड स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट मैम रुक गया मैम यहाँ पे
Thank you. Palak, could you please say a few words about the campaign and your association with Peta India?
Honestly, with this campaign, मुझे पता नहीं था कि फिश के साथ क्या क्या होता है. मैं ऐसे मम्मी के पेट से अंतर्यामी नहीं निकली थी. पर जैसे मुझे एजुकेशन मिली कि हमारी मछलियों के साथ ऐसा होता है, आई थिंक वो भी आपने बहुत चेंजेस करता है. चेंजेस अ लॉट इन यू. आई थिंक जस्ट having the education of what they are being put through. Sometimes you can just think of them as like this ever-ready source of food. We never really think about where it comes from, how it's farmed, and why do we do this to them? For what reason? Because it's not a necessity. It's like we discussed. It's not even really good for you. So it's something that we're doing for not a very strong reason. And humans really hate inconvenience until it's especially when it's on them. But when it comes to killing people and when it comes to killing organisms that cannot speak and can never defend themselves, it's just what does it matter? Like, it's fine, population control. So I think it was very edifying for me as a person, and really touched me. And and I mean, Peta as an organization is known for checking people and putting them in their place. And I think we as humans tend to think that we are the superior beings, and that's so not true. It's everybody's planet, and I think we tend to forget that.